Hey everyone, it's Jim
and Charles
from Valves and More, and we're just going to film a really short introduction to our, well, it's not our new channel, but
to our other channel,
which has been around for, oh geez, what, 3 years now?
Yeah, well, it started off just as being a place for us to put our build videos for our mini kits, but we're starting to produce more content over there, and we think some of you guys would like to check it out.
Yeah, it's going to still going to have content directly related to the kits, how what's coming up, our development work. But as audiophiles, we do a lot of explorations in this world of high-end audio, and we've always been basically budget audiophiles. So this is not going to be a channel about high-end audio in which you pay $10,000 and $20,000 and $40,000 for a piece of gear and you get, you know, what somebody could have produced for $2,000 without the expensive advertising and the extremely expensive Italian design case. Though this is probably a Chinese design case.
This is pushing it a little bit.
Yeah. Well, this is the limit for me. So we're going to start doing more discussions, more episodes on the technology that's behind the music. So it won't just be about the kits, it'll also be about other things. For example, we've been doing DAC development quietly for about 2 years now, with the hopes of eventually coming up with a DAC kit for our customers. And we needed a reference DAC, an R2R DAC, to see how our own development work was going. And so I brought in the Denafrips Pontus 15th, which is a really a well-respected company and a well-respected DAC. It's current technology.
So we're going to talk a little bit about how this functions, how R2R DACs work, how DACs and ADCs, analog to digital converters, work over on the other channel. And if you want to check it out, there's going to be a link below.
Yeah, and we're actually going to open this thing up, if we can figure out how to get into it, and show you what a ladder DAC network actually looks like on a circuit board. It's pretty amazing. So yeah, so if you're interested in the equipment side of things and the technology side of things, please go over to the MTA channel. There will be a link below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're interested.
And if you want to stick around here, we've done a couple of very high quality recordings off of this that you can have a listen to and see what you think. Yeah,
now Charles has connected up our neat little Zoom digital recorder, which is an amazing little digital recorder, directly to the analog outputs of this DAC. So it's a very short signal path, and what he's done is captured some of our favorite test tracks. And we're going to be running the Denafrips in non-oversampling mode, or NOS as people call it, NOS. And it should just be a very clean feed. So let us know what you think.
All right, well, we'll see you over on the other channel, hopefully.
Cheers, everyone.
I felt you move somewhere beside me. I searched around but couldn't find you. In your wild garden, I will be. In your garden, under the magnolia. magical touch. Something to be unsaid, something to last forever. In your wild, wild garden, I will be. In your garden, under the magnolia.